Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make French dip sliders. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 5 tablespoons of butter, and you want to divide that into 2 tablespoons and 3 tablespoons. Then you need 1 large onion, and you want to thinly slice that. You need some salt and pepper, 12 slider buns, a pound of deli sliced roast beef, and you want that to be thinly sliced. Then you need 12 slices of provolone cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of garlic minced, or you can do a clove minced. And then you need 1½ cups of beef broth, the fat-free or low sodium. And then you need a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 and go ahead and start caramelizing your onions. Just melt your butter and cook those over medium heat. And you want to go ahead and melt your 2 tablespoons of butter in that one, so you'll still have 3 tablespoons left. And go ahead and also add some salt and pepper to your onions. Alright, my onions are cooking up good. We're going to go ahead and just keep doing those for about 20 minutes until they're completely caramelized. Alright, my onions have about 5 minutes left, so I went ahead and put my slider buns on a baking dish, and you just want to take the tops off, and we're going to place roast beef and cheese on each one, and then when the onions are done, we're going to put some onions on top of each of those. Alright, my little sliders are all put together. I've got my roast beef and my cheese. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put my onions on there. They look pretty good to me. And then you just want to go ahead and put the tops back on. Alright, all my little sliders are ready to go into the oven. I did leave a couple without onion for taste tester, but just see under there, I really piled on the onions in there. So next you're going to take 2 tablespoons, so you'll have 1 tablespoon of butter left, and you're going to melt that in the microwave, and we're going to brush that on top of each of the rolls. Alright, I brushed the butter over top of all of my buns, and then I just lightly dusted them with a little bit of salt and a little bit of garlic powder. So next we are going to go ahead and put those into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 350. Alright, while our sliders are in the oven, we're going to go ahead and make our au jus. So you want to go ahead and in that same skillet that you cook the onions in, just go ahead and melt your last tablespoon of butter over medium heat. And then you're just going to add the minced garlic until it's nice and fragrant. Alright, I added my minced garlic into my melted butter, and we're just going to cook that for about a minute. And then we're going to add our beef broth, Worcestershire, and season it with salt and pepper. Alright, all my other ingredients are added to my skillet. It smells amazing. So next I'm just going to reduce my heat to simmer, and we're just going to go ahead and simmer that for about 10 minutes. Alright, my sliders just came out of the oven, and they look and smell delicious. I have about 3 or 4 more minutes left for my au jus, and then we will see what taste tester thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay.
Dip it in that au jus. There you go.
Dang, not for mom. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.